You shot
When that thing changed,
Done.
There she's up.
Okay, look two, trouble's going, she's gone.
Stand back a bit.
Three over four, which means we're now going to follow through. Right down it. Watch four, wait four up. No, playing vulnerable. Done? Yeah. Do you know what really
I suddenly got lost there and got back into it.
She's three, four.
Look two, trouble's going, she's gone.
So busy chatting, I didn't know where I was.
I thought you were going again, you said.
Go again.
I thought it was
Go again.
Yep.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. That's within the order after it's and we will play 5. 3. Sarah, come and take this.
sorry?
Come and take this. You can read my one there, isn't it? 1, 2 lead, and then 5, 3, 1, 2, 5, 3. Go, plane hunt. No, you're pulling it in. Pull it in, pull it in. Now, lead. Now, on this back stroke lead, hold it right up. Dribble going, she's gone. Right, so let's have some nice rounds. And we're going to keep it all nice and steady on the back strokes, nice and easy. Down we come. Keep close. Keep them close. Come on, keep them close at the back. Come on, keep them close. Lovely. Steady as we go. Now, get closer. Just bring it in a bit. Steady pull. You're coming in a bit too quick. Come down, Sarah. Come down, Roger. Keep them. Watch them back strokes and keep them close. Not too close, Kate. Steady, steady, steady. Come on, a little bit, Alan. Let you look a bit bigger. Take him in. Wait for him. Now, don't let in too much more. Wait for him. That's it. Now, bring it in. Keep it in. Bit closer. Ooh, yeah. See, ladies and what that's happening when we're on the chair there. Yeah. Keep them nice and close. Keep them close. Alright, bring him down to chiming. Steady, 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 Alan. Wait for him. You're doing lovely. Come on, do. After 3 miss and catching rounds. 1, 2, 3, miss and catch. Go on, Alan. Go on. Yeah! That's my boy.